What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we'll be going over data abstraction in Python. First, let's talk about what abstraction means. So when I say something is abstract, I'm talking about the idea of something, the concept, right? It's not physical, it's not concrete. So if I say love, for example, there are many different interpretations of what love is. Same thing for a vehicle. If I say a vehicle, you may be thinking of 3 or 4 different things: a car, a truck, a motorcycle, whatever. These are all abstractions. They're not set in stone. There's not one definition, one interpretation, right? So when we talk about abstraction in Python and abstract class and abstract methods, we're talking about the idea of an implementation. It formulates an idea, right? So abstract classes, they have abstract methods, and these abstract methods don't do anything. They just lay their blueprint. They just lay the idea of what we want to implement, okay? So let's get right into it. So throughout this series, we've been using the school class to do all of our videos, but today we're going to divert and we're going to use a vehicle class to define our abstract classes and methods. Okay, so this is a completely new class. I've already programmed the class, so we're just going to go through it line by line and talk about how we define abstract classes, methods, and even instantiate objects through abstract classes, okay? So the first line is just our import statement. To define an abstract class, we have to import from the ABC module. So this is Python's inbuilt abstract class module. So we're going to do from ABC, import the ABC class and the abstract method decorator. So that's our import statement on the first line. Next, we're going to define our first class, our abstract class. And this is the vehicle class. And to define an abstract class, you have to inherit from the ABC class, from the ABC module. So this is how we say that we're creating an abstract class. We're inheriting from the ABC class. All right. Now, to define an abstract method, we're going to use the decorator abstract method, similar to how we've been using static method, class method, and whatnot. So we're using the decorator abstract method. And this is our abstract method, wheels. So like I said, when you think about a vehicle, you think about many different concepts, right? You may think about a car, a truck, or a motorcycle. These all have different wheels, right? So our base is the wheels, but as we implement our subclasses, our actual vehicles, they're all going to have different wheels, okay? So we're defining the wheels, and like I mentioned earlier, an abstract class, it has abstract methods. These abstract methods don't do anything. They just formulate the idea, okay? It's not the actual implementation. So this is the idea, it's not the implementation. This will be implemented later. So we're using this past statement. Past just means we're not doing anything, and it's a way for us to not break the program. If we didn't have this past statement, we can't just define an empty function, okay? So now we're actually going to create our subclasses. And our first subclass is motorcycle. A motorcycle is a vehicle, so it inherits from the vehicle class. And it must use this abstract method wheels, okay? So we're going to do that here. We don't have to use the abstract method decorator anymore. So we're just directly overriding this wheels method. And I'm going to print a motorcycle has 2 wheels, okay? So that's all I'm doing is I'm using this abstract method wheels, and I'm actually implementing it. And I'm going to do the same thing for car here. So a car has 4 wheels. It's also inheriting from the vehicle class. And truck. A truck has a lot of wheels. It may have, 16, 18 wheels. So truck has a lot of wheels, and all of these use this wheels method. They all override the base method that we define in our abstract class. And now we're actually going to create objects. So we're going to create a motorcycle, car, and truck, which are instantiated from the motorcycle, car, and truck classes respectively. And we're just going to use these wheels methods. So they're all going to print different wheels based on how many they have and what type of vehicle they are, okay? So as you can see, it prints here. A motorcycle has 2 wheels, car has 4 wheels, a truck has a lot of wheels. Now you may be wondering why I have vehicle commented out here. Well, you actually cannot instantiate an object from an abstract class directly, okay? So I can instantiate objects from the subclasses because these are the actual concrete classes. The abstract class itself, I cannot create an object, because you got to think that the abstract class is just the idea, right? It's not the actual implementation, like I said earlier. So if I try to create a vehicle object, I'm going to get an error because I can't, it's not an actual concrete set in stone physical class, right? So that's why I have this commented out, but I am okay to create objects from the subclasses, the actual concrete classes. Okay, so that's data abstraction in Python. That would do it for this video. If you learned something, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I believe this is the last series of this. I believe this is the last video of this series, and I might create another video. We'll see. But for now, this is the last video of the series. And if you enjoyed the series, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to check out my other videos. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take it easy.